They'll fucking go. My bad.
What's up, everybody? Y'all good? How was the food? I didn't get none. Just got here. Just got off work. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all a few things and I'm gonna get up out of here. Okay? All right. I don't do stand-up comedy. I do stand-up venting. Y'all just laugh at me because I'm venting. Get it? All right. Listen. See, I ain't get no food. My man looked out. That's what I'm talking about. I was gonna vent on you, but now I changed my mind. All right. Stevie just fucked me up because he did something good. Wherever you at, Con, I see we ain't got no beef tonight. They shut that shit down, huh? We shut that shit down like 2 weeks ago. Speaking of food, I got off work 2 days ago. My little cousin had a cheeseburger platter. I was hungry as hell. I usually don't take parts of nobody's food. Yeah. So I took some of his food. He broke me off, humps. I ate some of the food. Shit was delicious. You ever eat somebody else's food and then when you get your own, this shit is horrible? Anybody? Listen, I said, I'm going to go down Poppy's and get me this burger platter. I go down Poppy's and get me this burger platter. When I walk in the door of Poppy's fucks with me. When I walk in, he say, "Hey, Papa." My name's not Papa. My name's Del Gold. Call me Del. Don't call me Papa. I come in the door, order my burger platter. On my burger platter, I asked for it the same way my little cousin just got it. All I asked for was ketchup and mayo. A little bit. Just a little bit. My man put fried onions, mustard, ketchup, salt, pepper, and relish. Anybody ever get relish on a burger? You got relish on a burger? That's a nasty ass burger. Listen, I bit this burger and mayonnaise and relish fell out the back. That's how terrible this burger was. I said, I can't fuck with this burger, so I took it back down the street. I said, Pop, what's up with the burger platter? I'm explaining the burger platter how terrible it is. It ain't the same as my cousin's. I don't want this. I want my money back. So I look over my shoulder and somebody staring at me. So you ever do the double take? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's a bum. He's standing over my shoulder. I said, yo, what's up? Can I help you? He said, yo, buy my food. We homies? We was chilling earlier? And why you talking to me like that? Like, you feel me? Like, you buy my food. If I look at you and say, yo, buy my food, fuck you gonna say? Fuck wrong with you, right? Fuck out my face, nigga. I don't know you. I want to scrap or something. Whatever, man. So I just gave him a burger that, all the mayonnaise and relish fell out the back. You got it, bro. He told me dead up, good looking. He must have been hungry as shit. I'm gonna tell y'all another story real quick. I think I got a couple minutes. All right, I do security. Now it's crazy. It's a crazy world doing security and comedy. Like you gotta be serious, then you gotta be funny. You get what I'm saying? Like that's some fucked up shit. Like I might gotta kick somebody out of here. Then I gotta get a security bag. Then I gotta come up here and make y'all motherfuckers laugh. That's a hard thing to do. But I was working for a security company. They fucked up my money. It took them 6 weeks to pay me. One check, 6 weeks. Yeah, I see your face. You ain't even black and you making that face. Like, black people don't like their money being fucked with. I got bills. I got black people problems. I got a 12-year-old son that lives with me. A whole nother bill. This shit is crazy. So, I want my money. I just keep going up there asking for my money. Just keep giving me the rope around. It be in the mail. You gotta come get a paper check. Your direct deposit should be through. This is 6 weeks of some bullshit. So I hook up with my homie. I go to her house. Now her mom was like my mom. We grew up together. Her mom had another son. I had another kid. And she had her kid in 2006, same time I had my son. So her son and my son chill together. So when I see her son, I call him little brother. I go up the steps. I go to his room. Knock on the door, just walk in like a big brother do. What's up, little brother? Oh, shit. When he said, "Oh shit," he was tucking a bottle of empty Jergens lotion in a jar of mayonnaise. This little nigga was putting the mayonnaise in the empty lotion bottle. Now, I don't know how that turned out for home, because I don't live there. You know what I'm saying? I went home. But I did steal the idea. For work. I took that shit to work. At work, they got a little desk. On the little desk, they got a hand sanitizer and a little bottle of lotion. Y'all get where I'm going with this. You fuck with my money, you fucking with my heart. You know what I'm saying? So, I switched it out. I switched their lotions out. Now I'm looking at people come past doing one of these, rubbing it in their hands and their face. Now this is back in June of this year. It's like 90 to 100 degrees outside, and you sweating mayonnaise and shit. Yo, this shit is hilarious. I'm trying to tell you, shit is so stringy and wet. Like I ain't never seen some shit like this before. I seen listen. It's a black dude and a white dude standing outside, and it looked like they was waiting for an Uber, but they was sweating so hard, and the white boy was doing one of these. Like all these flies and gnats was coming around his face and shit. And I was just leaving out. I ain't still get paid. I didn't get paid, but I was leaving out. I had walked past them and did what I did. Y'all good? And the white dude said, fuck, no, what the fuck is this? and the black boy had a little, like a little Richard Pryor fro, and he was sweating out his hair. And this nigga did this. But instead of wiping this away, he went like this and smelt it, and the nigga almost got sick. Boy, goddamn. But listen, the story gets deep, but I just got the light, so I'm going to roll out. But next Monday when I come, I'm going to do a beat continue. All right? I got y'all. I'm going to make the first half. I got y'all.